Hello, everybody. I'm Liliana Soler. I belong to the group 11 with the tutor Leonardo Ibáñez. Due to I couldn't attend this encounter, for this reason, I'm going to recording this video responding some question about the topic. The topic of that encounter was big data, small farm, and tale of two tomatoes. According to the content of the video, what is trash track? I think that trash track is the final destination where our trash goes, and the purpose of her enterprise is to create a small device such as nanotechnology to follow the route that our trash has. Where does your trash go when you throw it away? Okay, on the first, the trash is recollected by the trucks, the trash trucks, uh, that that the garbage dump take it to the dump, but other times we throw away the trash on the streets. For this reason, the trash could end it into rivers or into environment, cause contamination. The purpose of her enterprise, Family Dinner, is change the way to do the crops, because she thought that the national system of food, including farms like factories, and she found to help the local farms and do more natural crops without pesticides and without transgenic modification and using less pesticides. What is your opinion about this affirmation? The current national food system is optimized for one thing only, and that's corporate profit. Yes, as I said you, the big enterprises of food uh, just um, want to improve their budgets and their sales. Doesn't matter if the products are of high quality and the products are transgenic modification. Okay. What is the meaning of the following sentence? Farms don't look like farms, they look like factories. Yes, as I said you, the farms, the big farms, looks like factories because they they use a lot of pesticides and genetic transformation, and the product could be very attractive for the customers, but doesn't have real nutritional factors. And the last question that I respond is, how important is sustainability nowadays? The importance of the sustainability nowadays is because the small farms also has the right, and the people that has farms could be do crops more in a more natural way instead of using genetic transformation, and the distribution of their products is better because it's in a local way. Okay, that's all. Bye.